Here we see two setups. The one on the left was her original setup. The one on the right is the one we worked on during the lesson this day. They look similar, except you can see a couple of things if you look closely. The one on the right has a little less knee flex, actually quite a bit less knee flex, and it's got the spine tilted a little bit further forward, and the upper part of the spine is much straighter. The thing we'll notice is that the butt is up. Now, how do we know that? Well, if we just take a look at the line of her shirt versus the line of her shirt, you can see the shirt is tilted down. We have to get that pelvis to the ground, the butt up, if we're going to have a good swing. What I'm going to do now is we're just going to focus on the swing on the right. So we're going to take it back nice and slow and smooth. Beautiful takeaway. Great position right there. Notice that the arm now is parallel to where her hip line was before. In a great position. That's a great move there. Now if she can route the club back down, notice she's dropping the club head kind of behind her there. That's where it needs to be. See, it's coming close, almost to the trail elbow, coming in from underneath. She does push it a little outside right there. We'd like to see that club stay underneath the right arm rather than outside the left arm. So she does kind of cross it a little bit, and that's why she tops it or catches it a little thin, and off we get a scribbler. So what we need to do is we got everything in a pretty good move, but what we want to do is we want to drop the club head back in an arc like this rather than down at the golf ball. Let's see if we can see that. See how it's coming down at the golf ball there? We really want it to route underneath, which gives us a little steeper, less steep angle, I should say, a little more in to out, which then produces the power draw.